Ladies and gentlemen, De.Fi Web3 super app and inventor of the first crypto antivirus. In this video, we're gonna take a look at this project, what they have to offer. It used to be De.Fi Yield. They rebranded their project and they offer right now $25,000 De.Fi quest. So I will show you step by step from A to Z. I will go through this with you in this video. I'll show you how you can take part in this, because it doesn't cost you anything. All right, I'm gonna guide you step by step how you can take part in this and potentially win $25,000. It basically works as an airdrop, so you have to do different activities and then you have guaranteed NFT. And now also I'm gonna show you how you can increase your chances to win the 25k. Before we start this video, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research. We are now at the main site, De.Fi. Okay, if you don't know what De.Fi is, I'm gonna explain to you right now. This is basically a DeFi dashboard Web3 super app. Okay, so you can control your digital assets with a full suite of innovative tools. It sounds complicated, but basically you can control your funds, use different tools that I'm gonna show you in this video, and makes your life easier. And thanks to this, also you have different investment opportunities. There's over 43 networks, 378 protocols on over 130k tokens. When we look at their Twitter, we take a look at who follows their account. We scroll down and you can see even CZ Binance has been following them and retweeting some of their tweets. Okay, has to mean something. Now, when we get back to the main site, they have tools like Scanner and Shield. I'm gonna show you in a bit. So they work as a DeFi antivirus. Okay, so we can track every coin and see what's wrong with it, see what's fine, and you can check if everything is okay if you wanna actually get involved in the project. They also have APY aggregator. So they aggregate all the best APY opportunities. So from what I read, they have like over 10,000 LPs to choose. So pretty much everything you can check there. So it is also in the dApp. It says explore. So you can explore yields there inside the dApp. I'm gonna show you also in a bit. And you have everything in one place. So it's pretty nice dashboard. It saves you so much time because you can check basically everything there. Because this is the place basically for DeFi. You can find like everything you need for when it comes to DeFi. Right, and now like you can see they run 25k De.Fi quest. Okay, so what does it mean? Look, if we check here, get early access to chance of winning prizes up to 25k. And there is a guaranteed NFT as a win, so you can basically take part. Doesn't cost you anything once again, okay? Right, so first thing that you want to do, you go to De.Fi and you need to connect your wallet, okay? I'm gonna leave you a link in the description of this video. So you click connect your wallet and then you choose if it's EVM, if it's MetaMask, you click this one, okay? Then once you connect your wallet, you're gonna see something like this. So this is basically the dashboard overview. You can see the net worth at 24 hours. PNL. This is an account I wanted to show you step by step. You can change here. It's better to me on the dark one. And now what you want to do is you basically can see the full dashboard here, right? This is the main tool. This is the super app that we've been talking about. So the first thing you can see here is investment side. Explore yields, NFTs. You can click show more, wallet deposits, lending. Then transaction tools. You can send, swap. There is a swap right here. There is a safe section, which is the antivirus that we've been talking about. Shield, scanner. Then there is a rec database, audits, and the request fast track. All right, and now let's go step by step. I'm gonna guide you how you can do the quest. So this is the first thing right here. And now what you can do is enter the referral code. I'm gonna leave you a referral code also in the description of this video. You can use it and then you will get plus 100 points. Okay, after you create your account, you will also be able to have your own referral code and send it to somebody or send it to your friend. Okay, like I'm giving you the referral code right now. So then you want to confirm and sign. Okay, right, so what you can see here is for each of those activities, you need to verify your Twitter, okay? So we click basically here and you put your username. So I'm gonna do it right now. So now what you wanna do is copy this link and put it in the bio section on your Twitter page, okay? So I'm gonna do it right now. And like you can see, my Twitter page is already connected to De.Fi, okay? Now I'm gonna go back and click verify. And like you can see, it has been already verified. And now we are gonna do rest of the task. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do a swap. Okay, this is the first thing, the first quest. We're gonna go right here, transaction tools, click swap, and put like 0.001. It's like 30. So no, actually let's put like $3, and we're gonna swap. All right, I'm gonna do it right now. Confirm swap. Confirm the transaction. All right, like you can see, swap successfully. It can be anything. It can be any token. What matters is that you do any swap, okay, and then it counts. It can be even like $0.50 or something. So now we're gonna click done, and then it's gonna be also in 1 or 2 minutes. It's gonna be green, and you're gonna see that it's accomplished. Now what we're gonna do is basically claim reward. It's already green, like you can see. And then you can come back in 20 hours and do it again. The third thing, we're gonna do a daily scan. So look, stay safe every day. Use this De.Fi scanner to analyze a token or contract. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to a scanner, and we're gonna click some scans. Okay, like you can see, this one, for example, has DeFi score 53 for 100. For example, the second one has like 43. We just need to see a couple of them. This one is 100 by 100, so it's pretty legit token. Now we're gonna go back, and you can see that quest also has been accomplished. So let's do another thing, which is gonna be a scanner. Use scanner to find 3 contracts with De.Fi score under 50. Okay, so we need to find some tokens or some contracts with an actual warnings. Okay, well, we need to find 3 of them. If you could see it when I was talking, the other one got accomplished, the swap one. Okay, so now we're gonna do the scanner one. We once again, we need to go to the scanner and find 3 with under 50. This one has 53, so it doesn't count. Okay, this one is 40, so we have a 1. This one is 23, loads of warnings. This one is also 40. You can see high risk, medium risk, medium risk. We're gonna go back right now, quest, and it's also gonna be 1 minute gonna be accomplished because we found 3 contracts under 50. And like you can see right now, it has been accomplished. Now, next thing, what we're gonna do is invite a friend. So what you're gonna do is come here. This is your referral code. Okay, you wanna copy this. If you have a friend, send it to a friend. But I know many of crypto bros don't have any friends. Okay, we are focused on work, we are focused on business, we are introverts. If you don't have a friend, you can use another wallet and basically log in to De.Fi and connect your wallet and use this your referral code. And that's how you're gonna get this quest accomplished. Now I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna get back to you. All right, so like you can see, I connected my other wallet, and like you can see, it counts. So use your referral code to invite friends. My affiliate is 1. Okay, so you are authorized. Your quest has been accomplished, but it's better that you invite somebody else, some friend that actually is gonna do the quest as well. It's gonna increase your chances. Okay, but now look, we're gonna do the shield. So what we have to do is go to save shield, and also let me actually go back. Look, use shield to revoke 3 approvals. So we're gonna revoke 3 approvals in here. We're gonna do it like this. You basically revoke, and what you have to do is click here and confirm. So I'm gonna do it with all of them, and then I'm gonna get back to you. All right, so what we're gonna do next while we're waiting for the shield to be approved, we're gonna go explore yields, share explore yields on Twitter, and click claim below. So what we're gonna do is we have to go explore yields and click this button right here. Then share on Twitter, and then what we're gonna do is we want to basically tweet about DeFi, tweet the message that they are giving us in the app. Okay, so look, I'm gonna tweet this right now, and now like you can see, it has been sent. Now we can go back, and now I'm gonna click rewards. Okay, click to claim rewards. Now it has been already accomplished, so very nice. And now we are only waiting to revoke 3 approvals for the shield, and like you can see, has been now accomplished. Now everything is green, so we are good to go, and we are now qualified to win 25k, up to 25k. We don't know exactly how much who's gonna get, but you can see all levels qualify from beginner to seasoned Web3 users. So now look, your NFT will be unlocked at level 1. Last update March 1. Now I will be able to claim the free NFT. It's good to claim it, okay? You never know what's gonna happen, and especially De.Fi is actually very legit. So their NFTs might be worth something, might be worth unlocking them. And now if you come here and claim your daily rewards, you have a greater chance to win a bigger prize. Okay, so this is basically how it works. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, all the links to De.Fi in the description of this video. Follow the quest, and why not? Okay, it doesn't cost you anything. De.Fi is legit. It might be worth something, the NFT, or you can win up to 25k, especially if you have some time and you don't want to risk any money, and basically do the quest and have a chance to win. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'll catch you in the next one.